In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up projects in QuickBooks Online for service businesses. If you've been looking to effectively manage your projects and keep everything organized, this guide will help you streamline your setup process seamlessly. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Head over to your preferred web browser and click on the sign in button located on the top right corner of the QuickBooks homepage. Once there, select QuickBooks Online from the options available. This is where all your online accounting is centralized, so it's the platform we want to focus on today. When you're prompted, enter your credentials. Your username and password ensure that your financial data remains secure, so type these in carefully and hit continue. You'll now be directed to your main QuickBooks dashboard, which is the hub of all your business activities. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here you'll want to select Account and Settings. This area is your gateway to customizing how QuickBooks works for your business. Inside Account and Settings, look for the Advanced tab. This section contains various features that can be enabled or customized to suit the specific needs of your service business. After clicking on Advanced, you will see projects listed among other functionalities. This is the feature that allows you to track income, expenses, and time related to specific projects. To enable the project tracking feature, click on Projects and simply switch it on. Turning on Projects integrates project management directly into your financial workflow, enabling you to gather insights on project profitability and manage resources more effectively. Finally, remember to click Save before exiting. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all the changes you've just made are applied and will be reflected the next time you access your QuickBooks account. This step solidifies your project settings and prepares your QuickBooks for efficient project management moving forward. And that's it, folks. With these steps, you've successfully set up projects in QuickBooks Online, specifically tailored for your service business. You're now ready to start tracking your projects, monitoring your expenses, and reviewing profit margins, all within QuickBooks. This setup will make managing your business finances a lot more streamlined and help you stay organized. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tips on effectively navigating business tools. Until next time, happy accounting.